previously on developing her. So in my last video, I showed you what happened after jump roping for 7 days, how much weight I lost, the foods I ate, and if my belly got any smaller. But in this video, we got to step it up because it's getting warm outside, y'all, and I have some clothes that I want to wear. I tried jump roping and a HIIT workout, and this is what happened. And if you're struggling with belly fat, maybe this workout may help you. I'm also going to share the things I like eating that have been lower calorie. So, it took me a long time to get into the sports bra. I hope I can get out. Maybe that will change in a month. We'll see. Walk up in the spot, they be like, whoa. In the spot, they be like, whoa. Walk up in the spot, let's step it up a little bit. Walk up in the spot, they be like, whoa. Set it up, it's on the floor. He claim that he faithful, he up. Every time I pop out, they be screaming out like, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. These diamonds make me so, whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want your man, he not my type. I'm just tryna wanna fight. Cartier for the shades for the night. Plus it's chilly and my jeans sitting nice. So right now I am on the treadmill for almost 10 minutes, as you can see. It's probably backwards, upside down. I noticed that my heart rate goes a lot higher when I do HIIT workouts on the treadmill. So I think I'm gonna incorporate that along with jump roping. I don't know if you can see. Come on, watch. My heart rate goes up higher on the treadmill. Can you see that? So I had to step it up this week. Guys, I had to step it up this week. Free in my mind. Moody. Moody. Last week I basically kept to the 10 minutes of just jump roping. This week I added a little bit of jogging. I would jog if I was doing jump roping outside. I'd jog to the location. If I was doing inside, for the most part, I was doing it inside, I would jog, walk, jog. That's usually what it is because I can't jog all the way. I'm not there yet. So I think that will really help. It makes me sweat a lot and my heart rate really goes up when I do it that way. The combination of the two, I know jump roping is really good in decreasing my stomach. Just in the past, it has really changed the game for me in decreasing the belly fat. But I need a little something else to kind of expedite it. And so going forward, I'm gonna add some ab work, which I will show you. I have about 4 more weeks left. And so I know I can do it. I've been cutting back a lot of the foods that I eat. I'm still enjoying them. Not like I want to, right? But enjoying them. And I have a quick story about that towards the end. But I've been being more mindful. Even if I go over my calories, just being more mindful and knowing how much each thing costs, so to speak, each food costs. And staying within a budget. There are events coming up. The weather is getting warmer. The crop tops that I want to wear the low jeans that I want to wear, the jeans that I want to fit into. And if you're still here, hit that like button if you're trying to get a six pack too, or a flatter stomach, or just feeling better in your skin. Did I mention that this workout in total was 20 minutes? Okay, I know you are busy. I know I'm busy too. But we can squeeze in 20 minutes on a regular schedule. We're all trying to look better. Okay, we're all trying to look a little better. And there's nothing wrong with that as long as we do it in a healthy manner. Okay, so I'm just trying to do it in a healthy manner.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you how I'm making these kale chips in case you guys wanted to try some. I think they're tasty, a healthy little snack. Of course, when I like something, I really like it, so I have like a big bowl of it. Hey, it was on sale, okay? So we're gonna start off by putting some olive oil, and of course I'm gonna track it because, you know, I'm gonna try to keep it to, all right, so it's 35.6 grams. You can also change it. Oh, okay, 35. So you see how grams and milliliters are similar? It's equivalent, you know, or almost equivalent. So I like to just write down. I know it seems, I know it seems kind of extreme, but I figured I'd just give this whole measuring thing a try. Anyways, next up is going to be sea salt. You could use sea salt or Himalayan salt, but let's see. So I'm just using this kind of sea salt right here. And I probably keep it to, and that's it there. Let me just change that to grams. And I'm gonna add some garlic powder, which makes it super yummy. I'm not really tracking garlic and pepper just because of the caloric value, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna add some black pepper. And then I'm gonna put it into my like pizza, what do you call this thing? Pizza pan, I guess. Just cause when you put you'll see in a moment. But before I put it in the pizza pan, I'm going to just like really massage all the seasonings together. Make sure as best as I can. And then I'm gonna put it on the pan. So I just put it on here, and I have so much left, which I'll probably eat later today, but I wanted to start with a good amount because I will easily kill this. So we're just gonna put it in the oven and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I left it in the oven at like 400 degrees for a few minutes, and this is how it came out. A little crispy, but I like it like this. And it's really tasty to me, you know, as something healthy, like a healthy option, so. So there's a reason why I wanted to use a pizza pan, because like 15 years ago when I tried kale chips for the first time in the dorm room, my friend was making it. She made a small batch because it was her first time making it. And when it was done, we easily killed that batch so quick that she had to keep on making more batches. So that's why I make a lot of kale chips. Because I want to be able to, they get shriveled up and you can kill them really easy. But if this is your first time, do a small batch to see how you like it. I just have to be careful with the amount of sea salt and olive oil I put in it.
I feel like weighing my food feels unhealthy in my mind. Like, girl, you weighing your food, it's not that serious. But the reason why I weigh my food is some of the people that I follow and some of the people in my past have said weighing their food has really helped them. So, you know, I'm just trying to eat within the weight that I want to be. It's just cutting back a little bit. I like to think about it as cutting back a little bit. You know how like you have bring $20 to the store. You can't try to spend $40 when you only have $20, right? You want to overdraft. I don't want to overdraw. I used to hate that, by the way. Longer, listen, I know we are all trying to get rid of that belly, that stubborn belly fat. But you know what? We got to be more stubborn. And my belly chose the wrong one. Okay, my belly chose the wrong one. I'm gonna get the six pack, okay, in a healthy way, but I'm gonna get it. So let me show you how I'm getting it. I appreciate all your comments, you guys, and how to get there. I'm slowly going to incorporate some of the things that you guys have been suggesting. So wait to see how that works. But in the next video, I'm going to add something else. And yes, it is ab work. My goal is to get a six pack in the next 6 weeks. So I have another 4 weeks to go. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like icon. I'll probably leave the video over here or just come back next week to see it, to see my progress. Just send me positive vibes in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.